Today let us make pasta in traditional method. For that we require pasta any type, moong dal which is soaked for half an hour, ginger, green chilli, lemon, onion finely chopped, salt. Now on the stove and add water to the pasta, then put on the stove for 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 spoon of oil so that the pasta won't stick to each other. Now add green chilies to the mixer grinder and also the moong dal, salt. Add turmeric, dhania powder, jeera and make them into paste. Now after boiling, you drain all the water. The pasta looks like this. The paste we made looks like this. This should be fried enough in the oil to remove that raw smell from the moong dal. Let us start cooking. Now add oil to the pan. Add ginger, mustard, jeera, little turmeric, onion, now mix all these ingredients. Now add the fine paste of moong dal. Mix well. Now this should be fried for 5 to 10 minutes with continuous stirring, mixing like this because it shouldn't stick to the pan. Now add chilli powder, mix well. As I said before, it needs lot of mixing, stirring all the time because it shouldn't stick to the pan. You can also do in the non-stick pan to avoid sticking, but I prefer steel only. If you feel it is still sticking to the pan, then add oil in between as required. Because sometimes it sticks more, you need to add oil at regular intervals and mix it. It should become still more dry. Now with occasional stirring, the mixture looks like this. Now add pasta. After adding pasta, you need to mix well. All the mixture should get mixed up very well with the pasta. After mixing, you leave in the pan for 5 minutes on the simmer flame. Then the pasta will be ready. Garnish with coriander leaves or pudina leaves, whatever you have. Now add pudina leaves from the top. You can also add onions from the top. I generally add onions before eating. That adds extra taste to the dish. Now add lemon to the dish. Garnish with onions and green coriander or pudina, whatever you have with you. Then it tastes yummy and delicious when compared to Western style pasta with the sauces. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy pasta with your family.